Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Devereux, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money on Instagram with Amazon Associates. It's Amazon's affiliate marketing platform where you can sell Amazon products, Amazon services, and a great way to make money online with affiliate marketing, especially if you have an affiliate marketing website like a blog or somewhere where you're selling items, or if you're just looking to promote a particular item in general. It's also a great way to get that to your customer, not only with extremely fast shipping, but obviously on Amazon they have a ton of different products on there, so it's a great way to start affiliate marketing. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started into the content. If you guys are just showing up, again, this video is going to be about how to make money online on Instagram specifically with Amazon affiliate products, how to get started with Amazon Associates, and kind of a little bit more about them. Basically how you can start promoting these offers as well using Instagram accounts. So I hope you guys are excited. Hope you guys have learned something here today. And again, if you guys haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys do that. And let's go ahead and take a look here. So again, Amazon does have its own affiliate program. If you guys weren't aware, it's called Amazon Associates. You can earn up to 10% on advertising fees with Amazon. So they'll pay you kind of for advertising as well as for selling the products. You'll get a commission too. The commissions on these products range per category depending on what they are, like what you're selling, as well as if you're a more frequent seller, your advertising fees tend to be a lot higher too because you make more sales basically month after month. So that's one thing that's pretty cool about them. Obviously, Amazon in general is a super huge marketplace. A lot of people shop on Amazon all over the world. So it's really cool to be able to take advantage of being able to sell these products to our audience. Not only that, but you can take advantage of selling these Amazon products across multiple geos. You could sell them for Amazon UK, Amazon Mexico, different things like that, different areas, different regions, and still make money in all of these different places. As well as because they are such a large marketplace, you have such a large amount of items that you can actually sell with Amazon Associates, which makes it really nice for someone who's maybe trying to start an affiliate marketing website, where maybe, let's say for example, they're building a clothing store and they want to sell clothing products, jewelry, things like that. They could create a store around that and use Amazon products as their merchandise and basically let Amazon handle everything from there. You're just going to be doing affiliate process for that. You can also obviously build off of maybe one product specifically. So if there's maybe one specific tech product in here or a pet product or something that you're trying to sell specifically, you can localize onto that and do that as well. So there's a lot of ways to make money with Amazon Associates. Let's take a look a little bit more about their website. So they're pretty easy to join. I'm pretty sure I got approved for them. It's either almost instant or within like a day or so. So it's really quick to actually get approved on Amazon. You can choose over 1 million products to advertise to your customers. So again, tons and tons of products that you guys could be promoting with your Instagram accounts or wherever to make extra income from. So again, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Each advertising fees are from qualifying purchases, not just the products that you advertised. Plus, their competitive conversion rates help you maximize your earnings. They also have native shopping ads and a bounty program, it looks like here as well. And then let's see what they say here. Looks like it's being a little slow. So here are how the fees work. So again, they are basically per category. So any kind of luxury, beauty, or Amazon coins, you're going to get 10% from. Any furniture, home and improvement, lawn and garden, pet products are going to be 8% commission. Headphones, beauty, musical instruments, 6%. And then obviously, as you see, the list goes down, the percentage changes. So that's kind of how it works. They also have some bounty products. So if you sell any kind of Amazon Prime member who meets like certain eligibilities, you'll get a $2.50 bounty, as well as if someone does like creates like an Amazon baby registry while they're under your link, it'll be you'll make $3 as well. So all of these different things down here are different ways to make extra side income or like upsells, different things like that, to even increase the earnings from there as well. So that's kind of cool. And again, you guys can find all the fees and everything down at the very bottom. Advertising fees, you can find that there. But let's go into the actual dashboard. I want to show you guys a little bit around Amazon Associates, so that way you guys have a better idea of how it works and how you guys can use it with Instagram pages. So here is the dashboard of an Amazon site that I had quite a long time ago. I actually used Amazon Associates for some affiliate blogs that I ran, I want to say a year or two ago, and I actually had a lot of success with it. I kind of want to start it up again, but just with all my other projects, to be honest, it's just kind of been put on the back burner. But it is a way to make great side income, especially around the holidays. A lot of people start buying things, obviously around Christmas and Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Amazon Prime Day is a really great day too. And the really great thing about Amazon that I really liked with my experience with Amazon Associates, which I did happen to run solely from an from an Instagram page too. So this definitely works. The experience that I had was not only were they buying the products that I was promoting specifically on I built a store, like an e-commerce store based off of different products in a specific niche. Not only were they buying those products, but because my cookie was on their thing from me basically showing them about Amazon or getting them to Amazon, I don't remember how long the cookie lasts. I want to say it only lasts 30 days on Amazon. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. They actually changed their policies quite a lot since I worked with them, and they changed them a lot too. That's one thing with Amazon is they kind of change their policies a lot. So even here, you can see the important notices all the time about different things that they're changing. But back to what I was saying, not only will they buy your products, but because of the cookie, you'll notice them buying all types of random stuff. Like for example, I sold like a watch one time. And not only did that person buy a watch, but a few days later, that person bought some underwear. So like two completely different things, but because my cookie was still there and that person is still using Amazon, I was able to get income and extra earnings from all of those products as well too. So it's really cool if you guys stick with this. It can take a little bit to get going, because it is more of a, you got to build a store, kind of build a brand, or however you approach it. There's tons of ways to approach it. It does take a little bit of time to gain traction, but especially around the holidays, you'll start getting some earnings coming in for all types of things, and it'll really blow your mind. It's really cool to see. But let me guys show you kind of how it works. So for example, let's say that we have an Instagram page, and it's specifically around jewelry, women's jewelry, or any jewelry in general. And we need to find some products to fill up our website with different women's jewelry items. So we can do something like that, and we could come over, let me go to the home page so we can start here from the scratch. So we could come down, this is the dashboard where you can kind of see everything, and we could come basically and search for products right here directly by putting in a keyword or an ASIN, which is basically Amazon's identifier for specific products. So we could do that if we're like maybe searching on Amazon and we see a specific product that we want to sell. We can find the ASIN for that and search it right here, and then we can get all of our affiliate links for it to be able to promote. But what we're going to do today is we're going to browse by, you can also browse by product, sorry if you guys saw that over here, I didn't get to that, but you can browse by specific products. So you can look, let's say all clothing and accessories, you can look at every single thing in there if you wanted to. But today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys to search how by keyword. So let's say I want to search women's jewelry. It'll start searching for it. And we'll start seeing, like, it's got 139,000 results for women's jewelry specifically. And we can start finding Amazon products to build either a brand off of or build an e-commerce affiliate marketing store off of, either through WordPress or however you guys build your websites. Typically with these kind of things, I either did a WordPress or like a Shopify store. If you're familiar with Shopify, you could do it with them as well. but you could build a whole store around women's jewelry, or you could maybe promote one specific women's jewelry product. So if you had something like this, handmade in Hawaii, wire wrap blue sea glass necklace, if you really thought this product was a hot product, you didn't want to sell anything else but this hot product, then you can obviously just start promoting it on your Instagram right away and just build like a one product page lander for this specific product. If that's something that interests you, you could do something like that as well too. So there's a lot of ways to do Amazon affiliate marketing. Another way that you could promote Amazon affiliate marketing is with your own website. So let's say you have your own blogger or your own WordPress website, and you like to write SEO articles or basically Amazon review articles. You can do that as well and basically start writing articles and then start putting links in here to your articles to the actual product for them to purchase. So this works really well if you have like an Amazon review site where you review a lot of different products within a niche, because if you guys aren't aware, a lot of people will search for a product and then obviously search for a review based off of it as well. If you guys have been to Amazon, obviously reviews are a big thing that happens with purchasing something on Amazon. So they usually have tons and tons of reviews on there, which makes it a great place to buy from. So that's also another angle that you guys can approach. So either like a single product if you want to promote it that way, a full-on e-commerce store, or like a blog. You can do like SEO articles or just write articles and link to all of these products as well to be able to sell on Amazon. And with that being said, guys, obviously I want to show you guys how this comes in play with Instagram. So as with any of the other videos that you guys have worked with us on, if you're running an Instagram page and you have a lot of followers and you're posting good quality content around what is you're promoting, Instagram can be a great traffic source, free or paid. This can work for paid as well. If you're running paid ads, obviously through Instagram, you could run some paid ads and get them to your offers as well, your Amazon offers. But Instagram in general is a great way to promote these offers, to promote things in the niche that are related. It's a great way to drive traffic from Instagram to your websites or affiliate pages or products. So keep that in mind, guys. That's how these two kind of interact here together.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.